Hello, kids! Welcome to our Payan English channel. I am Teacher Ivy, and with me,
Teacher Annie.
and today we're going to learn about playtime. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Chơi bóng đá.
Playing soccer. Playing soccer. I like playing soccer with my friends.
Chơi tennis.
Playing tennis. Playing tennis. She plays tennis on weekends.
Xem TV.
Watching TV. Watching TV. We enjoy watching TVs at night.
Chơi trò chơi điện tử.
Playing video games. Playing video games. He likes playing video games.
Đọc sách.
Reading books. Reading books. She is reading books in her room.
Nghe nhạc.
Listening to music. Listening to music. I listen music every day.
Chụp ảnh.
Taking photos. Taking photos. He is taking photos of the cat.
Hát.
Singing. Singing. She likes singing songs.
Nhảy múa.
Dancing. Dancing. They are dancing together.
Viết truyện.
Writing stories. Writing stories. He enjoys writing stories.
Vẽ.
Drawing. Drawing. She is drawing a picture.
Chơi đàn piano.
Playing the piano. Playing the piano. He can play the piano very well.
Chơi board game.
Playing board games. Playing board games. We love playing board games.
Nướng bánh quy.
Baking cookies. Baking cookies. She is baking cookies for her family. That's it for our video today. Follow for more lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.